KK is attempting to climb a tree. Watch.
What is this? Ow! How do you get up there?
Here, grab onto my foot.
Are you on securely?
Yes.
Tree hugger.
Okay.
That's what I do! Stay here. Okay. Okay, I'm not done. I have to climb up there too.
Funny stuff, man.
Man, I'm a girl. We are in folio. I want to step in here. What if I fall, Jesse?
I'll catch you.
Yeah, right.
You okay?
I'm almost in position.
Oh my god. Are you okay?
Okay, I'm done. Ta-da! That's how you climb a tree.